Hello viewers, I am Ronita Shaha, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting chapter of geometry, which is basic geometrical ideas. So let's start. At first we will discuss that what is point. In geometry, a point is a location or position on a plane surface which has no size. It has no width, no length, no depth. We indicate the position of a point by placing a dot with a pencil. Normally, capital letters are used to name the point. Here we can see that A is a point, and similarly B and C will be also an example of point. Next we will discuss what is line. A line is a straight one-dimensional figure having no thickness and extending infinitely in both directions. Here A and B are 2 points. If we want to join this one by a one-dimensional figure, and after joining we can infinitely extending this one in both way. So this will be the line. Next we will discuss what is ray. In geometry, a ray can be defined as a part of a line that has a fixed starting point but no end point. It can extend infinitely in one direction. So here we can see that A and B are 2 points. If we want to join this by a one-dimensional figure, and after joining we can extend in only one direction. So this will be a ray which has only one fixed point, which is here A. Next we will discuss what is line segment. In geometry, a line segment is a part of a line that is bounded by two distinct endpoints and contains every point on the line between its endpoints. Here we can see this is a line. If I want to split this one, this will be like this. So here AB is an example of line segment which is a part of line and which is only has two endpoints. Next we will discuss what are intersecting line. Intersecting lines are lines that cross at some point. They share one point which is called the point of intersection. Here two lines intersecting at a point which is P. Daily life example of intersecting line is railway track. Next we will discuss what is parallel line. Parallel lines are two or more lines that are the same distance apart. These lines will never intersect. Here AB and PQ are two lines which will never intersect. That's why AB and PQ are two parallel lines. Example of parallel lines in daily life, we can say that edges of scale. Now we will discuss what is curve. Any drawing done with a pen or pencil without lifting it is a curve. So this is an example of curve, and a straight line is also an example of a special curve. Next we will discuss types of curve. First one is closed curve. A curve that has no end point and which completely encloses a certain area is called a closed curve. Here we can see three examples of closed curve. Next we will discuss open curve. A curve that is not closed is called as an open curve. Here we can see that the ending of the starting point are two different of this curve. So it will be a open curve. What is simple closed curve? A curve that doesn't cross itself is called simple curve, and a curve that is simple as well as closed is called a simple closed curve. So this one we can say that it is a simple closed curve. But this curve is intersecting. That's mean it will be a closed curve but not a simple closed curve. Thank you very much. I hope all of you have understood this one.